making for you a super delicious and super healthy corn chip recipe in the Sedona Express Dehydrator and the Vitamix Ascent 3500i. It's exactly that. It's simple, it's delicious, and we actually successfully grew corn in the garden. So before holidays, I didn't want it to go to waste and decided to make corn chips, and it worked. So all you need is 2 cups, probably a little bit of over 2 cups of just some corn, washed, peeled, and cut. And I put that straight into the 2-liter container, and I don't spill it anywhere. Alright, and then I make sure the lid's actually clipped in place, because if it's not, the actual machine won't start. So we've got it all ready to go. I might pop in a little bit of salt. The beauty with dehydrating is you don't need to add many spices or anything like that, because it really brings out the natural taste in the food. So corn is naturally sweet, so yeah, a bit of salt and you're on your way. Right here, I'm going to start on speed 1 and we'll ramp it up a little bit and see how it goes. We're done, just shy of 40 seconds there, so we've got a nice smooth mixture. Ooh, it smells delicious, and it's just sweet corn. If you wanted to add anything else to that, like some cooked potato, you've almost got yourself a soup right here. But I'm not making soup today, I'm making corn chips. You get the Teflon sheet, line that one onto just the mesh tray that the machine comes with. You can also get stainless steel trays for the Express, so it's totally up to you. All I'm going to do is pour this on here. Usually 2 cups gives you enough to go over 2 trays. You can make them as thin or as thick as you like. Give it a bit of a tap and roll, just so it's nice and even. I find that the best. I don't need to use the spatula to clean anything else. I make it so it looks like a giant egg, and I pop it straight in. And I've actually made some to show you already. Usually around 8 to 10 hours at about 45 degrees Celsius. And then he comes out like this. I accidentally cracked him before, whoopsies. But we've got one here. Delicious. Perfect with salsa. Super easy to make, and no wastage with your corn. Happy dehydrating!